made a tryst with destiny more than 60 years ago. After a long struggle, the Indians fulfilled their aspiration of becoming citizens of a free nation. The fight, of course, was not a smooth one. It was full of bumpy roads, stumbling blocks, and moments of frustration. Piece of foreign domination. Our strength, our greatness, and our holiness was overclouded during the British rule. Delving into the past, let us all recall what all changes happened and what all had made us feel rootless.
Socio-cultural impact of British rule upon India was an intense impression that had lasted throughout their rule, never for once losing their significant status. From every field of living, be it in art, education, literature, poetry, drama, novels, or even Indian literature, religion and philosophy.
In the economic sphere, the British people were considered as exploiters from the very beginning. Before the British colonialism, India had a flourishing export trade in salt, sugar, etc. However, the British rule ruined the basic economic structure in India. Indian rural economy was transformed to suit the new modes of industrial Britain. This altogether changed the economic structure and Indian way of life. Indian agriculture was converted into the agriculture of cultivation of cash crops like indigo and tobacco, which left the stigmas of poverty on poor peasants. India is the mother of science and art. India was anciently so renowned for knowledge and wisdom that Europeans traveled to India for their improvement. With the advent of the British rule, modern education system took over basic Sanskrit to English. The main objective behind this was to prepare the clubs for running local administration. This has disintegrated the Indian society and gave rise to unhealthy competition.
The Western impact on Indians was responsible for arousing nationalism in them. The ideas of liberty, equality, fraternity of the Russian Revolution of 1789, the Proletarian Revolution of Russia of 1917, and the American War of Independence of 1776 surcharged the spirit of nationalism.
Partition of India. Partition of India. The nation was divided along religious lines. Pakistan as an Islamic state and India as a secular one. The partition was one of the most tragic of all political events to affect India. The partition left both the nations devastated. The subsequent migration of the people led to subsequent miseries and devastations.
Not only was the country divided, but the provinces of Punjab and West Bengal were partitioned, which caused many riots and many lives. India and Pakistan are still healing their wounds of partition. Boundary issues have caused many wars between the two nations. Even the imposition of an official boundary has not resolved the conflict. The two nations are deadlocked over the issue of possession of Kashmir.
But India, the force that it is, knows its strength and how it can embrace even the hurdles and make a niche for itself. Our future India cannot shut itself in a narrow shell. We realized we must be a part of the changing world. Therefore, we retained the English system of education, expanded the transportation and communication network, embraced globalization. From being one of the poorest nations, India is now a $1 trillion economy. But that is only half the battle is won. We still need to tackle gender inequality, corruption, pollution, illiteracy and poverty. India has been conquered once, and India must be conquered again, and that should be a conquest by education. Let's make Vision 2020 that former President APJ Abdul Kalam dreamt of a reality. Jai Hind.